the last few decades, various risk-based inspection methods have been developed, with no singular model becoming the most dominant and widely used. Examples of this include the API 581 third, API 580, REMAP, European Pressure Equipment Directive, also known as PED. Additionally, owner-operators have developed internal risk models or possibly use a model OEM'd by a software product. These models vary from qualitative to fully quantitative. Some are backed by recommended practices and standards, such as American Petroleum Institute, local government regulation, and the European Union. The wide variance of models, methodologies, and standards provide for large data management and implementation barriers for owner-operators who want to utilize a risk-based approach. AsInt and SAP have solved this problem by developing a highly configurable, templatized solution that can implement any methodology, whether based on industry standards or internal corporate approaches. Regardless if the model is fully qualitative or requires additional inputs and algorithms for a fully quantitative approach. This innovative approach allows the user to interact and persist the data using the SAP master data, ensuring that critical planning and risk management information is accessible, and more importantly, not duplicated within the core enterprise asset management solution. All of the data, including algorithms, are exposed for the risk analyst to understand and make recommendations. And if you don't have a risk-based inspection model already defined, don't worry, AsInt has you covered. We have worked hard to templatize the API 581 third methodology, the European PED model, and have developed our own semi-quantitative model called RBI+. As time goes on, we're adding additional templates to our library to give customers choices in managing and measuring risk. We know you may have several options when selecting a solution, but with AsInt, you will get our customer-first commitment. Our mission is to bring value for you by developing apps that address asset and mechanical integrity needs. These apps focus resources, reduce the cost of ownership, increase availability, and ensure the safe operations of the physical asset. We also hope you can stay up to speed with the exciting developments at AsInt. To learn more, go to www.asint.net or send an email to info@asint.net.